Hey everyone, if your ROG Ally isn't charging, don't panic. Today, I'll show you an easy guide to get it back to life in just a few steps. First, let's reset the USB-C port. Even if your screen is completely black or the device seems dead, press and hold the power button for 45 seconds. This essentially resets the power system. Once done, wait a few seconds, then try turning it on like normal. After it boots, plug in the charger and check if it's charging. If it's still not working, repeat the 45-second hold and try again. Next, let's check your charger and cable. Often, the problem isn't the Ally itself, but the charging equipment. Try using a different USB-C charger rated for at least 65 watts. If you still have the original charger, give that a shot too. Also, swap out the cable, especially if it's bent or frayed. Damaged cables are a common culprit. Now, take a close look at the USB-C port on your Ally. Shine a flashlight inside and check for dust, lint, or debris that might block the connection. You can gently clean it using compressed air or a soft brush. Finally, whenever possible, stick to official ASUS chargers or ones rated specifically for the device. Some third-party chargers, even high wattage ones, just don't play nicely with the Ally. Using the right accessories can save you a lot of headaches. Follow these steps and your ROG Ally should start charging again. If it still doesn't, it might be time to reach out to support for a deeper fix. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.